What's your favorite?
I love pasta.
What kind of pasta?
Pasta's my. I know you're the pizza
And
guy.
don't say pasta forno.
He's pasta. I'm pasta.
A pasta qua salsa,
Anything with pasta, I can eat pasta every day.
A pasta or gravy.
Anything? Oh no, asasa.
Oh, gravy does. Gravy.
Any pasta, pasta with sauce, pasta with meat sauce, bolognese is the best to me. The pasta's number one. I know you're the pizza man.
I love the pizza. Pizza for me is.
Pizza's my number one too.
Yeah, and now with all the different flavors that they're coming out with, like with the honey and with the pepperoni.
Oh, you're the hot honey guy?
Oh my god! Oh, how about the truffle? The truffle oil on top.
I'll try that stuff, but if I really want to enjoy pizza, it has
classic.
to be plain.
You like the margarita with the basil on top? You're good.
Yeah, that. To me, that's the beauty of the pizza. Then all the other stuff is just bonuses.
And you know what? Being that we live in New York and we're New Yorkers. That's why I love New York so much. I have a lot of my friends that are moving. They're going to different states, Florida, North Carolina, whatever they're going. But I love the food that's here. You know what I mean? I can't leave here because of that.